We'll do something for your liver now. So your liver is a big organ on the right side of the body here. So we want to give it space to move. So circles with your hips in the standing position work very well for that. So we'll come this way, put the hands on the hips, feet shoulder width apart, and just start to move the waistline, that's all. And in fact we'll start going off to the left. Inhale as you push each hip wide, and then you can start to make the circle bigger, and you can bend back a bit so you open this space up in the abdomen so that your liver can breathe more easily. You can keep your eyes open or closed. Sometimes if the eyes are closed you might feel a little off balance. Yeah. And let's go back the other way a few times. So generally we do more repetitions going anti-clockwise, so out to the left. And do a few repetitions to the right. Very good. And come and sit down. And just find a comfortable sitting position. And we will have the fingertips of each hand touching, and the thumbs as well. The thumbs are pulled back towards you. So the hands in position, and we're going to do a long inhale through the nose, and then when you exhale you're going to do the exhale through the mouth in 8 parts. So in other words, an eighth of the breath each time, and each time you do that you pull the navel a little bit closer in. So focus at the tip of the nose, close the eyes, inhale deep. And we'll go for 3 minutes. hold the breath. Press into the fingertips. Make that anchor. Bring your focus again to the tip of your nose. Keep the breath held. And slowly exhale. And relax. Sat Nam.